Hello and welcome to Turner Time Tutorials. This video is on how to use the Control Center on your iPhone or iPad with iOS 10. Commonly used settings can now be accessed in the Control Center. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to view it. It's available on any home screen, in the lock screen, and even in applications. In the Control Center settings, you can allow or deny access on the lock screen and within apps. So when you're looking at your iPhone, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen and you'll be able to see the first page of the Control Center. At the top you have airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, do not disturb, screen lock rotation. Means that if you turn this on, when you flip your phone horizontally, the screen will not adjust. So you can have that on or off. When a feature is enabled, it is blue, so you can see that Wi-Fi is enabled. Then you have brightness control. You would have AirPlay, where mine says Kim's Mac Mini, because if we didn't have AirPlay on, you wouldn't be able to see my screen. We have AirDrop, which allows you to share photos or contacts when you're on the same Wi-Fi signal as another iDevice. You have night shift, which by default is turned on from sunset to sunrise. This reduces the amount of blue light that your eyes receive, allowing your natural sleep rhythms to take over because our bodies want to go to sleep after it starts to get dark. But if you're viewing your device late at night, you're absorbing a lot of blue light. So having night shift on allows your device to emit less blue light and allows you to maintain normal sleep patterns. We have flashlight, timer, calculator, and camera. And then if you swipe from the right to the left, you'll see the second page of the Control Center, which will allow you to access the YouTube app, control any music that's currently playing, and also use the volume slider. And to close your Control Center, swipe from the top of the Control Center toward the bottom of your phone. Now let's take a look at settings. Tap Control Center. And in my settings, I have access on lock screen turned on so that I can access my flashlight even if my phone's locked. It's a great feature. And then access within apps is turned off. I've found that using some apps, I may want to make a swiping motion from the bottom of my phone up, and that brings up the Control Center instead of actually using that swipe motion within the app. So for me, the best setting is to have this turned off. Play around with it, see what works best for you, and make adjustments as necessary. So it's easy to access the Control Center on your iDevice by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or telephone. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.